Welcome to today's video. Many people work hard but still struggle financially without realizing that everyday habits could be holding them back. In this video, we'll uncover the top 10 habits that silently keep you poor and prevent you from building true financial stability, from overspending to poor planning. Each point will give you practical insights to change your future. Stay tuned till the end to see if you're guilty of any of these habits. And don't forget to subscribe. Number 10. Living paycheck to paycheck. Living paycheck to paycheck means all your income goes directly to expenses, leaving nothing behind for savings or investments. This habit creates constant financial stress because you rely only on your next paycheck to survive. Unexpected emergencies, like medical bills, car repairs, or job loss can instantly push you into debt. It also prevents long-term planning and financial growth, keeping you stuck in the same cycle. To break free, one must create room for savings, no matter how small, and gradually build a cushion that reduces dependency on each paycheck for survival. Number 9. Ignoring budgeting. Not budgeting your money is like sailing without direction. When you don't track income and expenses, it's easy to overspend, miss bills, or waste money on unnecessary items. A budget gives you control and helps prioritize essentials while identifying areas where you can cut back. People who avoid budgeting often struggle to save or invest because they never clearly see where their money is going. Without discipline, bad spending habits accumulate over time, leading to financial instability. Creating even a simple budget allows you to plan ahead and avoid falling into the trap of living beyond your means. Number 8. High-interest debt. Carrying high-interest debt, such as credit card balances or payday loans, drains your finances quickly. Interest charges accumulate every month, making it harder to pay off the actual amount borrowed. Instead of building wealth, most of your income goes toward covering interest payments. This cycle can last for years, leaving you stuck with debt instead of financial progress. Many people underestimate how damaging high interest rates can be until they're trapped. Avoiding this habit requires paying off high-interest debts first, cutting unnecessary borrowing, and focusing on cash or low-interest options. Otherwise, debt keeps you financially poor and stressed. Number 7. No emergency fund. Without an emergency fund, even a small financial setback can turn into a major crisis. Emergencies such as medical expenses, job loss, or urgent repairs are part of life. When unprepared, people are forced to borrow money, often at high interest, or sell valuable assets. This pushes them further into financial hardship. An emergency fund provides a safety net, helping you stay stable when unexpected events occur. Those without it constantly live in fear of what might happen next. Building this fund, even gradually, is one of the most important steps toward financial security and long-term stability. Number 6. Impulse spending. Impulse spending is one of the most common habits that keeps people poor. Buying things you don't need simply because they catch your attention drains your money without adding real value to your life. Discounts, online shopping, and trends often trigger emotional purchases. Over time, these small expenses add up, taking away money that could have been saved or invested. Many people convince themselves it's just a small purchase, but repeated actions create a big financial leak. Controlling this habit requires discipline and awareness, as money wasted on impulse buys steals your chance at future wealth. Number 5. Neglecting investments. Neglecting investments is a sure way to remain financially stagnant. While saving is important, keeping all your money in cash does not allow it to grow. Inflation reduces the value of money over time, and without investments, your purchasing power decreases. People who avoid investing miss out on opportunities to build wealth through assets like stocks, real estate, or businesses. This habit often comes from fear, lack of knowledge, or procrastination. Those who neglect investments remain dependent on their salaries alone. To break the cycle of poverty, one must learn to grow money, not just earn and spend it. Number 4. Poor time management. Poor time management leads to wasted hours that could otherwise be used to improve skills, create income streams, or plan for the future. Time is one of the most valuable resources, and those who misuse it often stay financially behind. Spending excessive hours on entertainment, procrastination, or unproductive habits prevents progress toward financial goals. Successful people treat time like money, using it wisely to build opportunities. Poor time management results in lost chances for growth, missed deadlines, and constant stress. To escape poverty, one must value time, structure daily routines, and direct efforts toward meaningful financial activities. Number 3. Lack of financial goals. Without financial goals, Money is easily wasted because there's no clear direction. People without goals often spend on short-term pleasures while neglecting long-term stability. Goals provide motivation and purpose, guiding decisions like saving, investing, or cutting expenses. Whether it's buying a home, building retirement funds, or starting a business, financial goals act as a roadmap for progress. Lacking them leaves you wandering without strategy, making wealth feel out of reach. When you don't know what you're working toward, you'll likely settle for less. Clear, realistic goals are essential for escaping poverty and creating financial freedom. Number 2, depending on one income. Relying on a single income source is a dangerous habit that limits financial growth. Job loss, salary cuts, or unexpected changes can quickly destroy stability when you have no backup. Many people stay poor because they depend only on their jobs, leaving no room for financial security. Multiple income streams, such as side hustles, freelancing, or investments, provide protection and growth opportunities. Relying on one paycheck makes you vulnerable and unable to handle financial challenges. Diversifying income not only increases wealth, but also creates freedom, ensuring that unexpected changes don't completely disrupt your financial life. Number 1, avoiding self-education. Avoiding self-education about money and wealth is one of the biggest reasons people stay poor. Financial knowledge is not always taught in schools, so individuals must actively learn about saving, investing, and managing money. Those who ignore self-education rely only on trial and error, often repeating costly mistakes. Meanwhile, wealthy people consistently study finance, economics, and money management to stay ahead. Without knowledge, opportunities are missed, and poor decisions become common. Reading books, attending seminars, or learning from experts can completely change financial direction. Ignorance keeps you trapped, while education opens doors to wealth and independence. Thanks for watching. Now that you know the 10 habits that can keep you poor, it's time to break free and move toward financial freedom. Which of these habits do you see in your daily life? Share your thoughts in the comments, and make sure to subscribe for more.